Has your outdoor furniture seen better days? Well, a great way to breathe new life into it is with a fresh coat of stain. It's an easy job and it can be done in a day. To get started, we firstly need to prepare the timber. Make sure you wear suitable protective gear. Scrub the timber with Valspar Deck & Timber Cleaner Brightener and rinse thoroughly with fresh water to remove all traces of the cleaner. This will lift any dark patches and ensure you get a nice, even finish. Then allow to dry for 2 days in good conditions. Make sure you stir your product thoroughly before and during use. Now you're ready to start staining. Use a good quality, clean, dry paintbrush to apply the stain and pay particular attention to the edges and cracks to ensure a nice, smooth, even coverage. Coat all surfaces of the timber where you can and allow to dry. Apply a second coat once the first coat is dry, usually about 2 hours. And there you go, rejuvenated exterior timber furniture with a beautiful high-quality finish to complement your outdoor living space. For more tips on how to stain and paint like a pro, check out the rest of our how-to series at changeinaday.nz.